I'm walking somewhere in Kilkenny, actually. We are in Kilkenny, just driving around looking for something. Sunny, too much sun for the video. That's the map of the place.
I think we've been here. Didn't Tony show this to us?
Possibly, yeah. It seems like summer is coming back to Ireland. We decided to go out and see some more stuff. We probably have been here before, maybe 10 years ago, as I was saying. I can't remember, but we probably went in from a different side. So this is also known as the Seven Castles, Kells Priory. There are still some places there, sides I suppose, that's still being done. There's some people here, but not many. our way back to the car park. We just finished going around the 7 castles, the Kells Priory. Kells Priory, that's what they call it, but it's also known as 7 castles. So far, it's good, you know, just to wander around. There's nothing really to see, but just ruins.
Yeah, the kids actually love it.
Yeah, they went.
It's big and it's very spacious. Well, it's outdoor, and there's a lot of what do you call it? It's a lot of area where the kids can run and wander around, so they love it.
There's a walkway from the Kells Priory going to Kells Mill, and we're walking through here right now. We'll check some of the stuff here. Just checked the place. A bit of pictures, photos taken over there, and the kids had lemon juice. It's a good stopping point. Then we'll proceed to another route, another place, another location. We're gonna go to Graignamanagh. Hopefully we can have like some nice coffee somewhere there, sit down and see the sunset. On the way to Graignamanagh, we stopped by and had a look on this magnificent view. Magnifico! Take a look around. That's the view from this. They made a car park here, so people can have a look from up above here, from this elevation. We'll keep going then. This is Graignamanagh. It's my first time to come over here. It's a lovely, lovely, lovely place. And this river is the River Barrow. I just read that there. It's a very nice walkway. They made this pathway along the river, and We're looking at the buildings there.
Are related to cats or little dogs.
There's so many boats on the side. I don't know if they're actually working or not, but it's good. There's not many people here. I never thought that Graignamanagh is a town like this big. It's not that big, but it's a town. I thought it's a village before, but it's not a village, it's a town. Nice one. Somebody is driving that boat. That's the boat. Maybe you're okay to go a little bit closer here. Very relaxing. You could see some people over there. Maybe they're having something. And from where I'm standing, there's a mountain which I don't know, to be honest. It's this place is on the other side of Kilkenny. It's probably near Wexford, Carlow, Wexford.
It's starting to get cold.
So that's why we put on some coats.
Jackets.
Yes. You alright?
Look at it.
Oh, you'll be okay.
Whoa!
Alright. Maybe we should have gone here like a bit earlier.
It's a
Isn't it?
shame. It's a shame if the light is gone already.
Yeah.
It's a bit dark now and
Yes.
a bit cold.
A bit, yeah, just a bit.
Well,
It's
it's
a
a bit
nice
cold
little
for them,
town.
not for me.
Yeah, it's a nice little town, I'd say.
Yeah, it's a tidy town.
Yeah. We should be coming back here.
We should maybe
Yeah.
we'll come earlier.
But it's nice
Maybe you can
that we
rent,
know about this place.
maybe that you can rent a boat here because there's loads
Probably.
of boats.
Yeah.
It looks
Yeah.
like a quiet town.
Thanks for being with us again. Until next time.
And hopefully, when we come back here, we'll have more time to explore and show you more things to see here, more places to see here in Graignamanagh. Did I pronounce it right? I'm not sure.
Yes. Anyhow, thank you for being with us. And if you haven't watched some of our videos, please do so, because we'll be having more.
Likes and subscribes.
Thanks, guys.